And the aim of the other pavilion, the second pavilion, the timber pavilion that we did in Heilbronn, was to explore how we can widen the range of potential application potentials for timber structures. We know that, in particular here in this ISS community, that these concrete shells that were built in the mid of the 20th century are one of the highlights of spatial engineering, of lightweight engineering, but you don't find them today because the effort, the cost for their erection, for the scaffolding is so high that no one is willing to pay for it. And what we developed here is an alternative method by replacing the continuous surface of the shell by prefabricated planar segments, planar hexagonal segments you can see here.